If you properly enter the details of the construction, then the plugin can create a simulation of a building. The plugin allows users to perform calculations of energy efficiency, performance, and future operating costs of the building. Please note that the plugin is able to make calculations of the building after adding at least one type of floor material. After starting the calculation module, in the first step, the user should choose a country version, which defines the available climate stations and the default parameters adapted for the calculation of the building. Of course, these parameters can be changed later. You must select the type of building, which will clarify the parameters adapted in the calculations. The next step is to choose the closest climate station for the planned location of the building. If you specify a geolocation of the building using the advanced features of SketchUp, the plugin will search for and suggest the nearest climate station. It may happen that the SketchUp itself determines the geographic location of the building starting in the US, for example, and then you yourself should indicate the appropriate climate station. Now you can see the first results of calculations. The first screen shows the results of energy demand for heating and cooling the building without taking into account the efficiency of systems. On this screen, you can change the thickness of the insulating materials used in the construction. The results of calculations are immediately visible. The next menu shows the energy performance of the building along with charts showing where the building is losing energy, and a second graph shows the energy that is consumed in the building. The next tab shows an estimate of operating costs of the building. At the bottom of the main window, there are several tabs that allow you to input your own parameters of the building, for example, ventilation, hot water systems, etc. These parameters can be changed and modified by selecting Options and Data. If you modify the parameters of the building, for example by changing the model or change the construction parameters to see the updated results, you should close and reopen the main window of calculation.